Hey, have you heard of the word contract note? No, it's nowhere used in trading, but it's a very essential record-keeping document after you are done with the trading. Well, every day after a trading session, one receives a contract note by email, isn't it? But what exactly does this show? A contract note shows the exact amount of securities bought and sold with their perfect timings and prices. They also show the total payable amount one is about to receive after all the charges and taxes are deducted off from the profit. This also shows the brokerage charged in which way as decided as the broker. So always check mails to keep the perfect calculation, guys. Everyone wants to talk about financial market, stock market, derivative market. Everyone wants to trade also, but how many of you know the exact opening and closing times of all the kind of market? Here are the heads up. All the market opens at 9 o'clock in the morning and trade starts from 9:15 for all the market. But the closing time for all the market varies. Stock market closes at 3:30 p.m. Agriculture commodity market closes at 5:30 p.m. and the non-agriculture commodity market closes at 11:45 in the night. So please keep a track of time for everything.
People aspiring to be involved in stock market should know something. There is always partial information with people that only one can buy something at a cheap price and sell it at a dear price. That is how you make profits. But no, one can buy cheap and sell dear and vice versa. Even if someone doesn't hold any quantity of physical stock, they can easily sell a stock if they think the price of a security is going down. And also it goes down, you can buy it at cheap price and back the profits. This is also called as short selling. So if you really want to short sell with us, subscribe us.